Hi there, this is Elle from the Philippines. So for this video, we will be learning how to introduce ourselves in Tagalog. Last time, we talked about greetings. I have added the link to it in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Okay, so again, we will be having the following in this video: vocabulary, listening practice, speaking practice, and review. Alright, let us start. Or in Tagalog, tayo'y magsimula. So, before we go through phrases about introducing ourselves, I believe it's better to know the numbers first because we will be talking about ages. Okay, here are the numbers. So, as you may have noticed, the numbers in between 20s, 30s, and 40s, and so on and so forth are not included on this part. So I will be sharing why in the next slide. Okay, so let's focus first on these ones. Okay, I will be pronouncing each word 3 times, so you could follow whenever you like. Anyway, okay, let's start. So for number 1, isa. 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 2, dalawa. 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 3, tatlo. 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 4, apat. 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 5, lima. Lima. Again, lima. 6, anim. 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 7, pito. 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 8, walo. Walo. Again, walo. 9, siyam. 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 10, sampu. 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 11, labing isa. Labing isa. Labing isa. 12, labindalawa. 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 13, labintatlo. 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 14, labing apat. Labing apat. Labing apat. 15, labinlima. 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 16, labing-anim. 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 17, labimpito. 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 18, labingwalo. 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 19, labinsyam. Labinsiyam. Labinsyam. 20, dalawampu. 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 30, tatlumpu. 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 40, Apat na po. Apat na po. 50, 50. Limampu. 60, 60. Anim na po. 60. 70, 70. 70. 70. 80, 80. 80. 80. 90, 90. Siyam na po. 90. And 100, 100. 100. 100. So I hope you're now familiar with the numbers in Tagalog. I will now be sharing the in-betweens of 20s and 30s, 40s and 50s, and so on and so forth. Okay, feel free to repeat this part if you need to. Okay, so in here, 21 and the rest of the in-betweens of the 20s, 30s, 30s and 40s and so on and so forth follow this rule. So, for example, we have 21. So, we call it 21. So, in English, it's 20 and 1. As we know, 20 is 20 and 1 is isa. So, in Tagalog, we combine it with the word at. At means and. And then we combine the at with the 20. So that's apostrophe T. So we call it, or we pronounce it as 21. Another example is 43, which is 43. Like the logic behind the 21, it's 40 and 3. 40 is 40 and 3 is 3. So in this case, we will combine it with the word at, which means and. So it's 43. I hope that makes sense. Now that we know our numbers, we will now be starting our introducing ourselves vocabulary. Okay, so hope you don't forget the numbers, or if you do, you could just go to the previous parts of this video. Take a screenshot or like a picture of the numbers so you'll have your own copy while we're learning how we introduce ourselves. Anyway, let's start again. Okay, tayo magsimula in Tagalog. First phrase or first sentence would be, my name is. Ang pangalan ko ay, then your name. Again, it's ang pangalan ko ay. For the last time, it's ang pangalan ko ay. Okay. In this case, if I will be introducing myself, ang pangalan ko ay L. So my name is L. Or you could do a shorter version of it, like I am. In Tagalog, it's ako si. Again, it's ako si and your name. Last time, ako si. An example would be ako si L. Next is ako ay nakatira sa. Then location. Ako ay nakatira sa. Again, it's ako ay nakatira sa. It means I live in or at. So, for me, it'll be ako ay nakatira sa Manila. I live in Manila. Then for our foreign friends, we could also say, ako ay nagmula sa location. Ako ay nagmula sa location. Another one, or for the last time, ako ay nagmula sa, meaning I am from. So, for example, I went to another country and I will be speaking in Tagalog. So I'll be introducing myself. So ako ay nagmula sa Pilipinas, which is the Tagalog word for Philippines. So that means I am from the Philippines. Again, an example would be, ako ay nagmula sa Pilipinas. Next is the reason why we learned the numbers first. Ako ay blank taong kulang. Ako ay blank taong kulang. Again, it's ako ay blank taong kulang, which means I am blank years old. So for this part, let us have our numbers copy ready. Okay. Before we put a number in here, we will be learning the rules first. So for this part, ako ay blank taong kulang. We have two rules. Okay, the first one is that if the number ends with a vowel, or the word for the number ends with a vowel, we have the 5, right? The A, E, I, O, U, or I, A, E, O, U. We will use the number plus the ending NG. So an example would be, ako ay 20 taong gulang. Do you remember what 20 is? Okay, that means I'm 20 years old. So 20 in Tagalog is 20. So since 20 ends with a vowel U, we add NG. So it's ako ay 20 taong gulang. I'm 20 years old. So that goes for the 8 taong gulang as well. So here, ako ay 8 taong gulang. Do you remember what 8 is? 8 taong gulang. 8 is 8. Okay. Hope that is clear. And the second rule is that a number ends with a consonant, or the word ends with a consonant. It will be the number plus the word na. Okay, the word na, N-A. So for example, ako ay 29 na taong gulang. So the word here is ending with M, which is a consonant. So we added na. So ako ay 29 na taong gulang. So the English for this is, I am 29 years old. 20, 20, siyam is 9. So we add at 29, 29. Okay, next is, I doubt there is someone here that's this young. Okay, next is, ako ay 4 na taong gulang. So, 4 ends with T, so we add na. Ako ay 4 na taong gulang. Do you remember what 4 is? Okay, 4 is 4. So in this case, I am 4 years old. Alright, so I hope that helps. So try adding your age here in this phrase. So ako ay blank taong gulang. And use the ending NG or na accordingly. Okay, you could also put it in the comments below and then we'll check it out. Okay, next is a bit longer. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Again, ikinagagalak kitang makilala. For the last time, it's ikinagagalak kitang makilala, which means nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak is, in this case, is nice, or it makes me happy. It's what? It's the meaning of this word. Ikinagagalak. And then kita is you, and makilala is to know. So it's nice to meet you. Though normally we don't use this word in Tagalog that much, like if we're doing conversation, but for formal settings, I guess you could use this when you're introducing yourself in front of someone. Anyway, that's it. So, ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Nice to meet you. Okay, so that's the last of it. We will now be moving on to our listening practice. Actually, I'll just be reading what I wrote as well. So, yep, let's go for our listening practice. So last video, I introduced two characters. For this one, we only have one character, so it's Maria. Okay, so if you are ready, we will begin to listen. Just a background though. This is Maria introducing herself. Okay. All right. Let us listen. Or in Tagalog, tayo'y makinig. So, magandang umaga. Ako si Maria. Ako ay nakatira sa Manila. Ako ay 27 taong gulang. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Okay, for the last time, I'll be reading it again. Magandang umaga. Ako si Maria. Ako ay nakatira sa Manila. Ako ay 27 taong gulang. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. All right. Do you get all the phrases right? Let me show you the script or the dialogue. Okay. First up, it's magandang umaga. So that is good morning, right? Then we have ako si Maria. I am Maria. Ako ay nakatira sa Manila. I live in Manila. Actually, in Tagalog, it's Maynila. I will be writing it in the description below. So, yeah, just for clarification. And then the next one is ako ay 27 taong gulang. So that is I am 27 years old. And then ikinagagalak kitang makilala, which is it was nice meeting you. So for this part, I wasn't able to write the English description or translation for this slide, so I will also be sharing it in the description for your reference. Okay. Let me read this again without the explanation. So it's magandang umaga. Ako si Maria. Ako ay nakatira sa Manila. Ako ay 27 taong gulang. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Okay, next we have our speaking practice, which is basically you trying to introduce yourself. Here is our script. So first, you'll greet. You could use magandang umaga, which is good morning. We also have magandang hapon, good afternoon, and we also have good evening, which is magandang gabi. So choose your fighter or choose whatever time zone fits or whatever time fits. And then again, ako si is my name is or I am. Ako ay nakatira sa I live in. Ako ay blank taong gulang. And then that's I am blank years old and ikinagagalak kitang makilala would be nice to meet you. Okay, so I'll be giving you, I guess, a few seconds because I won't be able to hear it real time. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. How was it? You did a great job. Okay, so let's do review. So for this part, I have around 3 questions that we will try to answer. So there are choices though, so don't worry. Okay. So first question would be, ang pangalan ko ay is what? A. I am. B. My name is. C. Nice to meet you. Ang pangalan ko ay. Okay. Ang pangalan ko ay is my name is. If that is your answer, correct. Next is we have a number. So 22. What is it? Is it 32? Is it 24? Or 22? 22. Okay, correct answer is 22. Okay, so that's 20 is 20 and then 2 is dalawa. If we add it, it's 22. Next, we have this question. Ako ay 41 taong gulang. Ako ay 41 taong gulang. Is it I'm 41 years old? I'm 26 years old? Or I'm 97 years old? 41. Let's see the correct answer. So it's I'm 41 years old. 41. 40 is 40. And then we have isa as 1. So when you combine it together, it's 41. And in this case, isa ends with a vowel. So we use the ending ng. So that's 41 taong gulang. I think you got it all right. I mean, all the questions correct. So good job. For that, we will be having our summary right here. So we have 2 slides actually for this one. One is for the numbers and one is for the phrases. So for the last time, ang pangalan ko ay, my name is, ako si I'm or I am, ako ay nakatira sa, I live in or at, ako ay nagmula sa, I am from, ako ay blank taong gulang is I am blank years old. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala is nice to meet you. And we have our numbers. Da-da-da! So that's isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. Then we also have 11 to 19, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And for the last column, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, at 100. Okay, so I hope this video helped you in learning the numbers and also the phrases and on how you could introduce yourself in Tagalog. As always, maraming salamat. Thank you very much and paalam. Goodbye.